Aircraft manufacturing. Boeing 777X. The Boeing 777X is the most recent series of long-range, wide-body, twin-motor jetliners in the Boeing 777 family from Boeing business planes. The 777X highlights new GE9X motors, new composite wings with collapsing wingtips, more prominent lodge width and seating limit, and advances from the Boeing 787. The 777X was sent off in November 2013 with two variations, the 777-8 and the 777-9. The 777-8 gives seating to 384 travelers and has a scope of 8,730 nautical miles (NMI), 16,170 kilometers, 10,050 miles, while the 777-9 has seating for 426 travelers and a scope of north of 7,285 NMI, 13,492 kilometers, 8,383 miles. The 777X program was proposed in the mid-2010s, with gathering at the Boeing Everett plant, and the wings worked at another structure contiguous to the Everett production line. As of February 2023, there are 363 all-out orders for the 777X Traveler and Tanker adaptations from 10 recognized clients and different purchasers. The 777-9 originally flew on January 25, 2020, with conveyances deferred on various occasions and expected to start in 2025. Boeing 777X Job Wide-Body Stream Carrier, public beginning U.S. maker, Boeing Business Planes, first flight January 25, 2020. Presentation 2025, arranged. Status in flight testing delivered 2017, present number assembled 4, created from Boeing 777-2022. In April 2022, Boeing again deferred 777X conveyances, this opportunity to 2025. In 2012, the 777X was wanted to enter administration in 2019. In November 2022, it was uncovered that a GE9X motor on one of the four-test 777-9S experienced a specialized issue on October 6th. Boeing in this manner stopped the test program while GE explored the issue. Testing the main experimental drill occurred on January 25, 2020 at 10:09 a.m. from Payne Field in Everett, and finished in Boeing Field in Seattle following 3 hours and 52 minutes. The second 777X first flew on April 30th. So, all in all, the first had investigated the flight envelope for almost 100 hours.